Alright, yo, this is Mookery, Week 13 Supreme. Let's go check it out. What we got, Leon?
So we're gonna see a couple skateboards from Dr Suess, tote bags, etc. So let's check it out. Resale, man. I haven't seen no one wear them. No photos. No photos.
Wait, one second. It's not 3M, right?
I don't know, it says it's reflective.
Is it?
The channel. Yeah, they are. I think it is, you know.
Yeah, it is. I think it is. There's a bit of shine.
Yeah, they said it's reflective. Yeah.
I didn't see this in a black one.
Okay, so the headband has glitter on it or something. Sequins. Some 70s style. Mad. Would you wear that?
New era. I would never wear this. Why would I wear this? Why would I wear this?
Pilates class thing.
Unless I'm a Lakers fan. Decent.
It's a box logo.
Box logo, but featuring this brand right here.
Holotech material. Looks like it's made out of felt.
It looks
It's really light, man.
Yeah, it's light. It's very good. I don't know if it'll be
made out of air.
though. That's the thing.
It's not waterproof.
If it rains, it's mad.
Yeah.
Because with the water we'll get
All your groceries getting soaked.
literally with groceries, what we carry in there. Would you wear
All
this?
them bananas, that lettuce. How do you wear that? You just hold it?
No, would you have it on your hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
If I went Asda or... I know. Yeah, it's a bit mad.
Like 6 later, so.
Stitched on.
The car.
Oh, the bottom, mad. Got the yellow. What do you think of this colorway?
Sick. Fully looks like a banana though.
Yeah, it does look like a banana.
Let me get this for the gram.
Sendirilah, saya pernah ke tak pernah dapat. You mau tahu Fish Boy ni siapa? All over the world.
Got the little... Got a race man here you got to build.
Kenapa you simpan dulu? Rakin lah. Rakin lah, Cibai tu. You tak tahu dia? Tengok ada tanya lain.
Paint your own car. See through right now. No color.
My new Christmas present, you see.
Your Christmas present is just the controller.
Yeah. Without the car.
Anything you can get. Okay, just give it.
Jeez, he's really out here.
Really out here, man.
Just the controller.
Controller.